Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you feel that I am very old but I couldn't become a alimidin but I want? Or do you feel that I am very responsible person of my family? That's why I have no time. But I want to become a alimidin. But how? Or do you feel that I study in college? I am a student of college. I have no time. I want to become a alim or alima. But how? If you feel these all, so now don't worry because we have an academy named Hanfi Barelvi Academy. Yes, Hanfi Barelvi Academy has expert teachers who will teach you at home and you can become a big alimidi at home. If you want to become an alimidi at home, so please contact us. Inshallah as well, I will reply. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.